Put the shades down so y'all can see this a little while. There you go. Lit. Litty. And you fuck around with it like this. Cool, right? Make it go quick. We make it flash. Cool, right? All you need is construction paper, LED string lights, and this shit, whatever the fuck this shit is right here. I don't know what this is. The foam stuff. Little hack y'all niggas can do, man. Y'all get bored at the crib. This our little studio. Let me see. Don't tell her I'm showing y'all this shit, okay? I got this mic too. It's a little studio. No, cool little setup, man. I'll be at the crib recording too now, so you know that's cool. How you stop this shit? But hopefully none of y'all screen recorded this or screenshotted it, because I really don't want to go through and block everybody. But I will. Let me take this filter out so y'all know what I really look like. I'm gonna take the filter out so y'all know what I really look like, okay?